Welcome back to Bubba's Culinary Creations. We are back outside for this cook. Stay tuned. We're gonna be making some chicken thighs on our smoker. Guys, it's absolutely delicious. We're gonna take two different rubs. All right, we got two different rubs. We're gonna be taking a very classic Kosmos Q rub, Honey Killer Bee. It's a very sweet rub. Definitely has some saltiness to it. Great flavor profile. We're gonna take that versus our Kosmos double pepper cow cover, which is not really intended for chicken, but I'm excited to try it just to see what they both taste like. Both of them will be getting the same exact glaze, which is a sauce by Cattleman, Carolina Gold. This is what it looks like. This right here, guys, is probably my favorite Carolina Gold mustard-based barbecue sauce on the market. And I'm so excited to try this. Let's do it. Okay, guys, we are gonna start with that Royal Oak charcoal briquettes right in the basket. We're gonna use some hickory and mesquite wood today. Get that charcoal rolling. And right here, we're gonna take half of our chicken and we're gonna cover that with our Honey Killer Bee seasoning on both sides. This is a very sweet and savory profile here. And the other half is going to get that double pepper cow cover. This is very salty and savory flavors here. Some garlic, onion, all the good stuff on both sides as well. And we're gonna compare the two a little bit later on, but we are glazing it with the same sauce. A mustard-based Carolina Gold sauce. This is what they look like when they're on the grill. Shut that baby down. And we'll show you what it looks like in about 30 minutes or so. We are running at 250 degrees. And here we go now with about 35, 40 minutes in. We're super close to glazing this, guys. Oh my goodness, just look. There's a good look at the Honey Killer Bee. And then here's a good look. You can see the difference in the look of it, man. That's crazy. Totally two different profiles, but absolutely amazing. Now it's time to glaze with that beautiful mustard Carolina Gold sauce. Woo! And if y'all could smell it, I know you'd be drooling right now. Just give it a good glaze. And then after we glaze it, we just put the lid back on for another 5 to 10 minutes and we are calling it good. Thank you guys so much for the support on this channel. We are loving it. We are having so much fun. Oh, isn't she beautiful? Just take a second to admire the absolute beauty that you're witnessing right now. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to taste these. All right, now they have reached the final internal temperature. Let's get these babies off the smoker and into our bellies ASAP. All right, guys, this is the Honey Killer Bee rub. Same sauce. We got that Cattleman's Carolina Gold. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Oh. Guys, that's probably the best chicken thigh I've ever had in my life. Holy cow. That is amazing. We've got one more to try, but stay tuned. Oh my gosh. That is so freaking good. Okay, so I'm the one with the treat today, guys, because I get two taste tests. One with the Honey Killer Bee, which was phenomenal. Holy freaking cow. Super, super good. This one right here is the Kosmos cow cover, but double pepper. So I'm expecting this to be a little bit spicier, not as sweet, more of just a savory profile. Here we go. Let's try it. Okay, yeah. Yeah, big difference is that pepper but oh my gosh. Dude, this is cow cover, right? So mainly for beef, but on chicken, you've got to try it. Please tell me you do in the comments. Oh my gosh, I know you want a bite because I want all the bites right now.